Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Monday and I hope y'all had a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we have switched it up for the month of March and we'll see after March how far this goes. But from this Monday on, it'll be called Rabbit Monday. So we're going to be working on the little rabbit in the library from GBFkE. And today we're going to be working on this dark section, and the color is 939, which y'all know as being a very, very dark, I don't even know if you can tell, dark navy blue. So yeah, how we doing, peeps? Oh my goodness. Yeah, let's see if we can make more progress with this than we did on the Chinese ladies, and we'll just give them a rest for a while and do something different. Oh, it's Monday. Yay! I get to go to work. Fun times. And I guess I should pull you in, because, you know, we need to be able to see what we're doing. Oh my. Now, yesterday, I didn't go anywhere. I stayed at home. And did the usual suspects, you know, YouTube, Netflix, listen to music. I did slow stitching in the morning and cross stitching in the afternoon. I worked on my what is it called? I don't know what it's called. I think I called it Family. That single red color. So yeah. And I about got that one lantern, I'm thinking it's a lantern, finished. I got it about 2/3 maybe. And of course there's another color right there, so yay. But yeah, didn't do too much, just kind of played couch potato yesterday. I want to go up. I made pork steak for dinner, and it was absolutely yummy, and of course I didn't finish it, you know, because they're pretty big. So I'll have that tonight when I come home. All I have to do is heat it up. My idea of a good time. Because I really hate to cook on Mondays. Just kind of drives me crazy thinking about cooking so late at night. And I have no idea how busy it's going to be at work. We'll have to just play that by ear. We did get, we'll call it, not snow here, but up in the ski resort places, they're probably anywhere between, we'll call it 8,000 to 10,000 feet. So Yeah, they got more snow. The top of the mountains got way more snow than we did, so kind of assuming that some of the ski places got some of that snow, so there might be a few more people, you know, in town, or as it may be, leaving. I don't know if they all left yesterday or not. People certainly with families and kids having to go back to school, they had to leave. I mean, here, I don't think it's a day off for the kids. So, yeah. So we'll just see. It's kind of weird. Sometimes Mondays are busier than, say, Wednesdays. Wednesdays is when people kind of begin to trickle in, you know, and that kind of thing, but yeah. Otherwise, it's pretty dead on a Monday. And before I forget, I had a viewer send me 2 pictures of her March decorations. I'll put those in here. Thank you, Sharon, for sharing. They're all beautiful. Got a lot of St. Patrick's Day stuff or March things, all in green. They're gorgeous. Great job for all those finishes. Yeah, I'm just can't get too carried away. I can for somebody else because, you know, that's a lot of work. But me, myself, yeah, no. Haven't done, I don't know that I've ever done any March themed, excuse me, March themed stitching. But if anyone else has anything they'd like to share, something they finished, something they're working on, send it to my email address, and that is in my description box below this video. Just click on the word more if you're on a phone, and you will see my email address. Come on. And it doesn't help that there is a light pink right there. Of course there is. I mean, you know, this part could not be easy. When you get down there to the books, it's going to be like cut and dry. Easy. Compared to all this. So, no idea what I'll be stitching on today. Next weekend, we have, ouch, come here, March Saturday stitching, and the theme is going to be towns, villages, cities, anything in those categories. Now, when I say towns or villages or whatever, that can be case specific, like New Orleans, San Francisco, London, you know. So use your own imagination there. It's just a loosely, a broad term when I say those things. So whatever that means to you, or whatever you have to stitch on, or whatever craft you're working on, join me. It'll be Saturday, 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I'm going to put my thimble on. I get down to the short rows of the thread and I can't have that thimble on. It keeps catching the thread every time I go through, and half the time it pulls the thread right out of the needle. So, yeah. And of course I didn't think about putting it. Hang on. That might not have been a good idea because I folded it right over where it got a stitch underneath. Yeah. So, however you interpret that, carry on. It's supposed to be gorgeous all this week in the 50s and 60s until we get to, I don't remember if it was Saturday or Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. It said rain or snow. And then it goes right back to being 50 degrees. So we'll see how much of that comes to light. But I wanted to put some time into this and see how far we can get with it. And it should be something that I work on during the week other than Monday, you know, when I make the video. And since I absolutely love this, that should not be a problem. So I pick it up at least 2 to 3 times a week. And we'll just see how it goes along. Hang on. So what is everybody else working on? Hope you're working on something that's fun. Something that you like to do. And it doesn't have to just be cross stitch, it can be whatever. Lately I've been splitting my time between cross stitching and slow stitching. And, you know, sprinkle in a few diamond painting, you know, sessions. But like I say, with the diamond painting, I cannot sit there for hours. It just, yeah, about an hour is as good as I am for at least a couple of days. Then I can go at it again. So I still haven't put the drills into one of those, I don't have one, container things. Yep, I don't see, no, don't see one. So I'll have to hunt one up. But I think it's going to take more than one, maybe. We'll see how that all comes out. Okay, we'll just start up here. Come on. Seriously. I try not to think about all the back stitching that's involved in this. I just concentrate on doing the cross stitch. We'll see how far that gets. But I really don't want to have start putting the back stitching in until I have areas around where it goes. Does that make sense? Until I'm done with the cross stitch, because then you kind of lose the effect of the back stitch. So yeah, that's a good excuse, isn't it? I'm sticking with that one, because yeah, I'm just not ready for those trees up there. Seriously. I still haven't gotten back to the other edge over there of that cushion. You know, where the, oh, what is it? I guess it's pink Nope, it's purple. Purple and that olive green. Yeah, not yet. So we'll see. One mountain at a time, right? And I can't ever take it one color at a time. So, it is what it is. We'll just keep stitching. Come on. Got a loop there that did not want to cooperate. Anybody got any plans for this week? Going anywhere exciting or fun? All right. Where is it? Trying to figure, I should have put the needle on the bottom, but oh well. Let me get my little bear out of there. Whoa. Maybe. So we're about at the halfway mark here. It still goes up so that, let me pull you out. Oh my goodness. There we go. So we're about halfway. So we'll see. And then I might be able to work on some of this going through here. We'll just wait and see. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.